Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. And now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create AI images or digital product or digital art and earn money through it, right? So, and I'm not going to just talk about it. I'm going to show tutorials on how you can go about it. Now, without wasting time, you go to our Google Chrome or head on to our Google Chrome here. So what you are going to do is you are going to detect and analyze how people are uploading their digital products so we can copy it. Once we copy it, we can analyze and verify various authentications and upload it. Now what we are going to do here is we come to our Etsy here. You go to Google Chrome, you search ETSY Etsy. Now this is what the Etsy does. This Etsy is an online product or marketing online or marketplace, right? And this marketplace, what it does is you are going to upload what you sell or what product you deal with here. Once your product gets much more traction, or what you are going to do is you are going to get sales. You are going to get sales, and trust me, this is one of the best marketplace ever you would know, alongside with Gumroad. But for now, let's stick to the principles here. Now you could see a lot of people have uploaded images, right? It sounds good, and this is just an art. People are showing tutorials on how they did it for much more evidence for their audience to see the particular thing they are doing is not fake. It's very real and authentic. So you could see a lot of people have done video here. So maybe if your niche here is graphic designing or just doing various templates here, what you are going to do is you are going to copy. You see this one, all what he did was to just print it. Look, he just printed. He didn't just do the what you call online whatever. He just printed. Once he printed, then he frame it, right? So what you are going to do is you are going to mimic or get a prototype of the same digital product here. And once we get the digital or prototype about this particular product, or what you are going to do is you are going to sell it. You are going to price it. So let's see what we can copy. Now this is African woman portrait, large wall art, sunset, right? So what you are going to do is you are going to screenshot it here. We are going to screenshot it on our laptop here. Once you screenshot it, you will copy the exactly same thing. You copy exactly the same thing. Once you copy the exactly same thing, we go to our ChatGPT here, then type this prompt. Yes, so what I told ChatGPT is to give me a digital product ideas. Now for higher traction, I'll use title like African Queen of the Savannah, right? So it has given us the title. Now it's generating. Let's wait to see how the generation will end. Okay, now what ChatGPT gave us was it gave us a sample of this, right? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, but we cannot just upload all of this one here because people might think it's AI discovered here. So what we are going to do is we are going to just pick one. So let's type this. No. Now look at what ChatGPT has done for us. This is very impressive. This is very impressive. So what we are going to do right now here is we are going to give title to this one. Right now, give us title and inspiration about this. Title and inspiration. inspiration about this act. Yes, so what you are going to do is you are going to frame this kind of digital product here, as we just saw on Etsy here. Look at how he has framed it on the wall here. You are going to exactly do the same thing, right? You are going to exactly do the same thing. So what you are going to do is, let's come back here. The title is The Mother, the Golden Soul, and it's so ChatGPT has also given out the description and title regarding the digital product or the digital art we just did. So what you are going to do is you go to head on to our Canva here. So you go to our Google Chrome here. Once we come to our Google Chrome here, what you are going to do is you are going to search for Canva. You're going to search for Canva. Yes, so this Canva tool, what you are going to search is you are going to search for frames, picture frames. Let's see if we could get some. Yes, so apparently we could use this one also, right? We could use this one also. So what you are going to do right now here is you are going to customize this template. Once you customize this template, or what you are going to do is you are going to fix our image here. We are going to fix our image here. Once we fix our image here, let's go to our ChatGPT and let's download our image. So we download it here. Oh, sorry. Oh, yes. So we download it here, then we name it PPC. So we come to our our Canva here. Once you come to our Canva here, we come to uploads here. We come to uploads here, then we upload our files. Once you upload our file, let's head into our file here and select PPC. So basically this is our template and this is our design here. So we can fix in this one here, and it's very awesome. We can extend it. We can extend it here and make it insane. So we've basically uploaded our digital product here. So what we are going to do here is we are going to click on share here, then we download it. We download it here. So once we download it, let's download it here. Okay, so suggested. Okay, so this is for the paid one, right? This is for the paid one. So you can basically assist one of these free methods out here. Let's come to home here and search for frames, picture frames. We can get free template here. Yes, you can. This is basically, I think this is free. So what we are going to do is we are going to delete this one here, delete the image here. Once you delete the image here, we come to our uploads here, then we fix in this one here. Then let's see if this one is also free. Then let's click on download. Okay, this one is also not free. Okay, this is free. Yes, so this template is free. You could see it's quite nice. Someone might think you just did it on your own, but we just use AI to discover this. So what we are going to do here is, once it's downloading, it's 14 megabytes. Once the download is completed, this looks insane, bro. Yes, so once you download here, what you are going to do here is you are going to upload them on Gumroad. Okay, the download is completed. So let's see, BIG Flora Classic. Yes, so what you are going to do here is you are going to come to Gumroad. Once we come to Gumroad, you are going to, let's come to our Google Chrome here, and because people are charging this particular thing on Etsy for what do you call it, $24, you are going to maintain the same strategy. Because if you come here, here's 4.9 rated views and 24 what do you call it, ratings. Then basically it means people are buying into this product. Not gonna lie, people are buying into this product because they've it's getting much more rated here. And you could see even samples of this are charging $16, $10, $6. But because we are new and we started, what we are going to do is we are going to start at a low rate. So we head on to our Gumroad here. Where's our Gumroad? Okay, we search for Gumroad here. Head on to your Google Chrome here. Search for Gumroad. Yes. So the very first link is what you are going to click on. Okay, so we are going to start selling here. So we can basically name our title, and I've taught the tutorial on how to upload your various products out here on Gumroad, so I wouldn't need to go into deeper here. You go to our new product here. Once you go to our new product here, we go to our ChatGPT here, and you can see the title. Let's see the title you give. The title here is the Mother African Golden Screw. You copy here, then come back to it, then what? Upload it. So once you upload it here, we set price US dollars here, then we set it to maybe 10. Let's set it 10 here. Let's come here next. Yes, so we come here and copy our description we just did. Simple description here. We go back, upload. Yes, now what you are going to do is you are going to upload the cover. Thumbnail, cover, thumbnail. So we can tell ChatGPT to generate the cover for us. So let's wait for ChatGPT to generate the cover thumbnail for us. Okay, so it has done for us. So what you are going to do here is you are going to download this, then we rename it. Oh my days. Okay, we rename it PPC1. So we go back here to our Gumroad. So come to our Gumroad here, we upload our cover here from computer files. Then we come to PPC1. We come to our thumbnail here and do exactly same PPC. Yes, so it will do for us. Call for action. I want this. So you can basically add details you want. Custom domain. So let's wait for it to upload our thumbnail for us. Yes, now you could see it has uploaded our thumbnail for me. Yes, so what you are going to do here is you are going to save and continue. Changes saved. Now what you can do is you can publish. If you have any files in mind you want to attach and sell it, you can also do same. Now you save changes, then you publish and continue. Now let's wait and see if our product is being published. Now our product here is published. Now let's go to our product here and verify. Yes, I uploaded this just last week. So we've uploaded is the Mother of Golden Soul. So what you are going to do is, because we are having 0 sales too, you are going to do a lot of marketing. You post to a lot of marketplace, right? You post to a lot of marketplaces. It's not only limited to Gumroad. You can post to seller. We have seller.com, selar.com, and you can also post there and make sales there. Now this is where we end our channel. If you find this video interesting, you kindly subscribe and put on the notification bell. Bye.